So I'm standing here with Kim of Pacific Hot Tub Solutions, and we are in the Cal Spa booth. So first of all, what is Pacific Hot Tub Solutions?
Sure. Pacific Hot Tub Solutions is a hot tub company. We're located in Oregon City, and we sell both reconditioned and new Cal Spa hot tubs. We've been in business for about 8 years. We started as a reconditioning shop and just selling purely reconditioned hot tubs.
So you really know about hot tubs, all types of hot tubs.
All brands, yep. And so we've worked on them all, and so we kind of know the pros and cons of everything out there. And we found the need to sell new tubs, and we worked with Cal Spas, and we found that they kind of hit all the points of what we wanted to bring to the consumer, and so we started selling those this year in 2018.
So let me make sure I understand then. Because of all of the years that you spent actually taking care of all different types of companies' hot tubs, because of that, you actually know that Cal Spas, in your minds, these are great hot tubs then, is that right?
Great quality, very energy efficient, and they hit the price point that works for just about every budget.
And so this is then the first time you've been here? Because I don't remember seeing a Cal Spa here before.
Correct. Cal Spas hasn't been sold in the Portland market for a couple years, and so we just brought them back to the Portland market, and we thought it was important to bring them here to the show to show people the changes that have been made over the last few years with that product.
And okay, then tell me, what is it? What is it about them that you went, these are good?
They're very energy efficient. They have a 24-hour circulation pump. They have the option for either full foam insulation or an energy kind of green technology thermal shield insulation.
So Kim, tell me a couple of the top questions that you get asked about people that are trying to think about buying a hot tub.
Sure. A lot of times people don't know if they need special wiring requirements. They don't know if they have to have 220 or if they can just plug it in, and we have models that can just plug into a 20 amp circuit. So we can answer all those questions for you. Either myself or my guys that you would be talking to are very versed in those things and can definitely answer any of those kind of questions for you. And then the other one is, where do I put it? What do I need to put it on?
So will the patio hold it?
Right, will the patio hold it? And a lot of times we're going to refer you to a professional if you're putting it on a deck or something to make sure that structurally it works. But just for any kind of patio or ground surface that needs to be prepared, again, we can answer all of those questions for you and give you a lot of good suggestions on those kind of things.
Perfect. Well, and speaking of health benefits, we're going to take a little walk and start again at another place where you have a brand new model out, and I want you to tell me about that. Let's go over there, shall we?
Okay, perfect.
Thank you, Kim. So Kim, this is the hot tub I was talking about, and it's actually named the Fountain of Youth. Mm-hmm. I understand what that means, so jump in and tell me about this beauty.
So this tub has a micro silk system in it, which is millions of little bubbles that work with your skin and exfoliate, detoxify, clean out your system. They're going to leave, those little bubbles are going to go into your pores and attach to dirt and bring that dirt out of your pores. It's going to help with eczema, acne, any kind of skin conditions. The water stays in your pores for a little bit, so it plumps up your skin, reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles. So the water creates negative ions, and then those combined with the impurities that removes all that from your skin. So it's kind of like when everybody feels better when you're at the ocean or a waterfall or a river, and it's the same concept that those negative ions are being created and just helps remove everything from your body, both stress and your pores and your skin. So makes it very therapeutic.
It really is natural. It's water and air bubbles.
Very natural, very natural.
And then you can certainly, if you stop by the booth, you can certainly, which we already have done, put your hands in it and feel the difference. And it cleans rings amazingly well too. Teresa, Jeff's wife, put her hand in there. She went, my ring is so clean too. It's amazing product.
It definitely does make you feel really refreshed, and it makes your skin tingle. So yes, definitely stop by our booth here at the show and put your hands in there and feel for yourself how it just cleans. It's awesome.
Wonderful. Well, there you have it. Come by the Cal Spa booth and see this beauty all for yourself. Thank you.
Thank you.